So, when that asteroid hit, it wasn't just a little bump in the road. The impact unleashed a ton of heat and seismic activity, sparking global wildfires and volcanic eruptions that wreaked havoc on the environment. As a result, we saw a massive loss of biodiversity, which is pretty wild when you think about it. Now, in the midst of all that chaos, some creatures like crocodiles and certain birds managed to survive. They adapted by making the most of what was around them, like munching on dead matter and seeds. These clever adaptations were key to their survival during such a tough time. Fast forward to today, and if an asteroid were to hit us again, people would probably scramble for fallout shelters or underground cities. But here's the catch: those places weren't really designed for long-term survival. This raises a bunch of questions about how sustainable these shelters actually are in a serious crisis. And let's not forget about food scarcity. It could lead to famine as fresh water sources get contaminated and crops start failing all over the globe. The potential death toll from a disaster like this could be absolutely devastating, making it a really scary scenario to think about. On a brighter note, NASA's DART mission showed us that we can actually alter an asteroid's path. But we still have to worry about much larger threats out there. We might need to look into strategies like using lasers or solar sails to protect ourselves in the future. In the event of an asteroid impact, having a solid plan for emergency evacuation and building self-sustaining habitats could save millions of lives. Think about harnessing geothermal energy and repurposing existing buildings. Those could really come in handy for survival. Another cool idea is deep water silos that help protect our water from contamination. These reservoirs are designed with acid-resistant materials, making them durable against environmental threats, ensuring we have access to that vital resource during a crisis. And let's talk about food sources. Algae farming is being proposed as a smart way to grow food in emergencies. It thrives in low light and needs minimal land, making it a pretty solid agricultural alternative in tough times. Finally, there's the idea of establishing a colony on the moon as a kind of escape plan from Earth during disasters. This could give a select group of people the chance to watch events unfold from a safe distance, which is definitely an interesting thought.